I haven't filmed in so long. This is so weird. But today I'm filming my first video for a big series. I think it'll be a big series. It's my first university related video. I've actually been wanting to film something like this since I was in like grade 8 when I first started watching university videos. And I figured that since I do have a YouTube channel, I'm very inactive on it and I only have 8 subscribers or something like that. I figured I would do my own because I did find it, like, the mix of them that I've seen over the years very, very helpful. And I'm gonna split it up into two. So I'm moving into a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment style residence. And so we have our own kitchen, our own living room. We have 2 bedrooms, so me and my roommate, and then a bathroom. I don't know my roommate, so there might be some doubles in the kitchen stuff, but I'm gonna do 2 separate videos, one for my bedroom and then one for the kitchen and bathroom and stuff like that. There's actually quite a few things that I've been able to collect over the years, so I won't actually be buying new things. I have a throw blanket that I've had in my room forever that I'm just gonna take with me because it's no use staying at home. Just kind of small things like that, like cutlery and stuff like this. Is such a big haul. Yeah, so I just went through the struggle of going to IKEA on a Sunday. So I'm a little bit exhausted already and it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I got a lot of stuff from HomeSense in the sense of decor. I also got quite a few things at Costco, just kind of in general, and then pretty much everything from IKEA, and then one thing from Target in the States because we don't have that in Canada anymore. But yeah, Costco, HomeSense, IKEA, and Target. Okay, so the first thing we got, or one of the first things we got, was this 50 pack of velvet hangers, just black and silver velvet hangers from I was gonna say IKEA. These are from Costco. I feel like they were under $30 for 50 of them, which isn't too bad, because when I was at IKEA today they had like the wooden ones and the plastic ones for sale, and it was packs of 8 if I remember correctly for $12, so I think we did pretty well on our hangers, especially considering they're the velvet kind of like grip ones. And then from Costco as well, I got USB/AC wall outlets. So basically you just plug these into some sockets. I thought this would be handy to kind of keep everything together, and you can actually hold like devices on the top here. There's like a gap. I don't think you guys can see that, but there's like a gap thing, so it can hold like an iPad over top or a laptop over top, which is pretty cool. This hamper that I have a bunch of stuff in is from this is from HomeSense, and it actually says, like, it has guidelines to kind of like what each laundry symbol means, so I thought that would be useful. And that was $25, $24.99, so not too bad for a nice hamper. And then I also got these Home by Design organic twin fitted sheets because I have a twin bed, not a twin extra long, surprisingly. And these were $20 and they feel really nice. They're just kind of plain and gray, but I didn't want anything too flashy in my bed anyways because I don't know, I just thought it'd be nicer if I had like a nice duvet and then a just simple pair of sheets, set of sheets. So, and it comes with a bag too to keep them kind of nicely put away. The last thing that I got from HomeSense, or no, the last thing in this basket from HomeSense is a set of towels. So there's 2 full-size towels, 2 face cloths, and then 2 like smaller towels. And these were from HomeSense as well. They were $30 and they feel really, really nice. So we definitely got a good price on those. And then the last thing I got from HomeSense is this kind of canvas. Oh, it echoes like if I press on it. Okay. So it's just like a map of the earth in gold, and it matches my duvet. Oh my god, it matches my duvet. And it's by a company called Oliver Gal. And yeah, it was $30, so it was super affordable. I think the regular price is $50, so we got a pretty good deal on it, and it's really nice. And I can either just like place this on my desk or I can hang it with a command hook. So yeah, and it's just a really, really interesting piece of art. And then I guess I'll show you guys my duvet so you guys kind of know what I mean by they match. So I got a 3-piece comforter set from Target when I was there in March, not knowing if I even got into university or residence. So thank God. But I got it in a full/queen size so that it would kind of drape over the side because I do have storage going under my bed. So this way it'll kind of hide it, or I can just tuck it in and have it like not fall off of me every night. It was actually on clearance, but it's this exhilaration set. and it's actually white and gold. So that's what I meant by the picture matches my duvet cover. I'm not going to pull it out so I can show you a little bit better, but it does match perfectly with my picture, so I'm really excited about that. And now the rest of my stuff is from IKEA. So I got this like mini ironing board. This is just in the marketplace area. I don't actually know how much any of this stuff was because there's not prices on the actual IKEA products, which is weird, which I actually hate because when you find something randomly and you don't know where it's from, you're like, oh, okay. So anyways, I got this like tiny little ironing board, and it just kind of like, it has short legs as well, so it just kind of goes over top of a desk or a countertop, which I really like because I do have a lot of clothes that I iron, and a lot of people have told me I won't need an ironing board or an iron, but I thought that because this was so small, I really had no reason not to get it because I know that I'll probably use it. And then from Amazon, I'm actually ordering a $20 Black & Decker iron. I'm really sorry that you can hear my dog chewing his bone upstairs and like throwing it on the floor. So yeah, anyways, this was, I'm guessing like $15 for this, maybe 20. If you guys find any of these prices online or you bought it, feel free to comment the prices of the stuff that I don't know below because I feel kind of bad. Next, I got this lap desk thing, and a lot of my friends had this in high school, and I had just like some old one that I actually got from HomeSense and it broke. But I decided to get another one because sometimes I don't want to get up from my bed and I do want to do my work. So I just thought that getting this one, I think it was $12.99, would be fun, and it kind of matches as well in the sense that there's white, and then this is like a really deep yellow, so it's kind of gold, and then the gray matches my sheets. But yeah, I just thought, this is called the Byland. The Byland. I can never pronounce the IKEA name. So anyways, this is a Byland lap desk. I then picked up a carpet to put next to my bed because I'm pretty sure that the floors in my dorm room are hardwood, and in the winter in Canada it could be a little bit cold. So I just picked up just this gray carpet so it matches my sheets, and it's really, really soft, and like it feels nice on my hands. I'm assuming it'll feel nice on my feet as well. And this is the Toft bow, and I really like it. I think it's really cute, and it was really inexpensive. I think like $10–15 at most, so that's not a price I can complain about. Here's the next item is the whole reason I wanted to go to IKEA in the first place, and it's the most stereotypical girls dorm room accessory, and I feel like everybody and their mother has this, and even my mom wanted to get one in a different color if they had it in a darker color to put on her desk chair. So it's this fake sheepskin rug that I'm just gonna drape over my chair because I feel like it'll make it a lot more comfortable and a lot nicer. It's called the Tenjin, T-E-J-N. And basically I'm just gonna drape it over my chair. That way it looks a little bit girlier, a little bit nicer, and a little bit more put together and warmer. And this was $14.99. The next thing we got is another room decor thing, and as you guys probably know, I love to travel like more than anything. And we were actually lucky enough to find some prints that were of my three favorite cities in the whole world. We've got this 3 set. They actually separate from each other, and they have little like hook things, so I can just hook them onto command hooks, which is great. So basically we have London, New York, and Paris, which for people who know me know that those are my like top 3 locations and are in my top 3 contenders for where I want to live. So yeah, I was really excited to find these. The next stuff that I got is under my bed organization, because I checked on the like VR thing for my room and it looks like the bed is a little bit high. So we got these Drona, oh my god, these Drona like storage bins in the same color as my sheets as well. And basically they're just little storage bins. They don't have a lid on them, but I'm just gonna throw it under my bed for like pajamas or some other thing that I don't have room for in my closet, because I don't think we get like an actual dresser. So it'll just kind of go under my bed and hopefully fit in that. And then the last thing that I have that's for actual room decor that I actually have with me is this Forza desk lamp. Ow, I just like hit myself in the chest with that. Oh my god, that's definitely gonna bruise tomorrow. So it's this, what did I call this? The Force desk lamp, and it's silver. They didn't have one that was affordable in gold. This was $25 for sure. I remember that because the one that I was looking at that was gold was like 50 bucks, and I was like, let's just go for this one that's the exact same design, just silver. So this is the only like silver item, but silver is like sparkly gray, so it works, right? And then I'll actually read you off my Amazon cart what I'm getting from Amazon because I won't have it for another few weeks anyways. So I'm actually getting 100 LED USB powered remote controlled fairy lights from Amazon. Just because I feel like every girl and their mother also has this set up in their dorm room, but also like for Christmas and stuff like that, it'll just make everything feel so much more cozy for like the colder months. And then like I said, I'm getting my Black & Decker steam iron that I'm ordering tomorrow on Prime Day. I'm also getting a 10-cup Brita just because Toronto water is pretty gross and I don't want to be drinking gross water. And then I'm getting some command hooks off of Amazon because I can't find them anywhere in store. I'm getting a quilted fitted mattress pad from Amazon, a 2-inch swirl gel memory foam airflow mattress cover, and then I'm getting a Hamilton Beach single serve blender. So I don't have those with me, and I'm sorry I just read them off my iPad, but it's just what we gotta do these days. But yeah, those are what I'm ordering that I don't have and that you guys probably have seen a million times. A lot of the stuff you guys have probably seen a million times. So anyways, that's all my room decor stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I will answer them. And my next video will be of me wearing the same exact outfit but for my kitchen stuff. So stay tuned for that one, guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.